Cheers.
Cheers. Looks good.
Yeah, looks great. All right. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're out here camping and we got something really cool to show you. This is the Kudu. It is an ultimate cooking experience here where you can cook so many different things in so many different ways. And my dad's been using it for a while and we're going to kind of show you how it works and why you should get one of these and the practicality that it'll have. So right now we're cooking some fajitas. We got your peppers and onions, some steak, some chicken. We're gonna get some wraps going on in here. We just cooked some boerewors. Setting this thing up is super easy. It is a huge cooker, but it is fantastic if you've got a big group, a big family. You can get so much done on here. Dad, what's your favorite things about this Kudu?
The fact that you can just move things around. So we did the boerewors here, and now we're using it as the skillet to cook this. It's just fantastic. You can, if it gets too hot, you just lift up this lever and you can rise it, get it a little bit higher from the heat so you don't burn it. So you're really controlling temperature. So if I had steaks and chops on there and we were doing stir fry here, I could bring that a little bit closer, move this a little bit out, and everything stays warm. Absolutely beautiful. It's fantastic. It's so easy to put together and to transport it. I came up with some really good ideas. These legs obviously come off, and these tubes will actually fit in those legs. And then I put them in a tent bag, pole bag, and then to carry this frame, I use a Christmas wreath bag. This whole thing fits in this bag. Isn't that incredible? You got your handles, and you can take this overlanding. You can use it any way you want. It doesn't have to be built and stay in one spot. But their attention to detail is amazing. You got Kudu even on these little Titan handles here. You got Kudu here, got Kudu on here. It's just so beautifully made, so clean.
You can really tell the quality on it. Like everything just feels real pristine.
Yeah, absolutely.
And you just use coal to cook this, right?
Charcoal.
Charcoal, yeah.
Yeah. Get your fire going. It's a charcoal braai. Oh, the smell is just.
It's really good.
Really good.
So what else can we do with this other than having like a skillet or just a grill? What else can we cook on this?
Well, it also, you can get an attachment that connects to one of the either side here, and it's a rotisserie. So you can put a chicken, a nice roast beef on there. Another attachment they have is it clips on the side, is you have a chopping board or to put your spices on. That's cool. Or to put your bottle on. So many little extras. They also have a dome, like a big lid that goes on, so you can use it on here or here. So you could use it on here over the charcoal, and you'll end up giving a bit more smoking effect to your meat and flavor. If you're doing eggs and bacon in that, or you just want something to stay in the skillet warm and you move it out the side, you can put that lid on top. That's another thing that they have on offer there. And then of course they have, which is unique to this because it's a South African design, it's a braai, they have another clip on here that comes out this way with a little hook, and that's for your potjie. That's a potjie pot, which in here in the States will be known as a Dutch oven, three-legged pot, so you can do your stews and things like that. And you could bake bread here, have your pot hanging here and your stews going on, and you get fresh bread, and afterwards you take that and put your pot on the table.
We'll have to do that next time. We'll have to do that next time.
We'll have to do that next time. Yeah, those are just some of the things I'm looking forward to cooking on this thing. So you can take this overlanding with you. Doesn't have to stay home.
Yeah, definitely great if you're going out with friends. Like this will be the center of attention. Cook everybody's meal on here. This is fantastic.
It's brilliant.
You'll start seeing this in all our videos whenever it's our family going out camping. This is what we'll be using because it's just, you know, it does everything. It's really cool. It's really lekker. I like it a lot.
It's lekker, yeah. Great.
Well, we want to say a huge thanks to Kudu for sending this out for us to try.
Thanks guys. Cheers.
It's been a lot of fun, and we'll chat with you guys later.